Hey guys, Derek, SkipperBud's, Belmar Harbor. Got a 2007 200 Horizon 4 winds. Has 191 hours on the Volvo 5 liter. Super clean boat. Trailer's good, tires are good. Boat is dang near perfect. Other than this interior is great, no rips, stains, tears, anything. Does come with a couple tubes, skis, tow ropes, jackets, full cover in-floor storage. Rear seats slides out for a little sun pad, bimini, motor hatch there. But this drive looks fantastic. This Four Winds is located inside Belmar Harbor showroom.